Boss chick, you that. Them now fi ask who that. Stand out, well hot. Dress back, she no regular girl. No regular. My girl, no regular girl.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, today I'm going to be doing this Jamaican look, well, inspired look, using just one palette. And yeah, if you'd like to see how I got this look, keep on watching.
So we're just going to jump right into it. Today we're going to use the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. And we're going to go in with the black shade. Going to blend that right into the crease. Then we're going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. We're going to go back into that BH Cosmetics palette. We're using one palette today, by the way. So yeah, we're going to use that bright green shade and just tap that into the lid. Then we're going to go back into the same palette, get that yellow shade, that bright yellow shade. And we're just going to tap that in the inner corner of our eyelids. And we're just going to repeat the same method we did on the first eye. We're just going to repeat that same method on the second eye. I'm gonna go in with First Aid Beauty, this coconut water moisturizer. Don't worry, I didn't forget about the eyes. I'm not done. Just moisturizing the face, you know. Gotta get that face moisturized. Then we're gonna go in with the Tarte Big Ego mascara. And here, let me tell you, I'm so excited. These are my lashes, Perfect Inches lashes in Instabaddie. I'll put them in the description down below. Listen, let me tell you, I'm not a master at lashes. I hate lashes. I struggle with them. They might look like I put them on mad fast in this video, but let me tell you. Anyways, yeah, you gotta look at them. You see? Looking real good. Like I put them things on 2.5. Nope. Like 30 minutes. Then we're gonna go in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Go in to correct those dark spots with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in orange. I blend that out with the Sonia Kasha makeup sponge and the Too Faced setting spray. Now we're gonna go in with the Laura Mercier foundation. This foundation is really lightweight, like it's buildable. So, you know, if you want full coverage, you could just continue building up the foundation. However, for this look, I didn't really want a full coverage look because, you know, I was mostly focused on the eyes. But this is more like a natural look foundation. If you want that, okay, I have makeup on but I don't have makeup on look, yeah, this foundation is really good for that. go in with Valley Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. And just to get a little brighter right there on those areas, we went back in with the Juvia's Place concealer. Now we're gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Bronzer in Cocoa Naughty. And to set the areas where we put the concealer, we're going to go in with the Air Spun Setting Powder. And let me tell you, this setting powder is probably like around $5. And it sets your face so good. Like, it works so good. I'm telling you, like, the best setting powder. And it's not expensive, y'all. We're gonna go back in with that same bronzer and we're gonna snatch that nose. we're gonna go in with the Becca lip gloss. And to set all this look into place, I use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And yeah, this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.